So we are decorating my kitchen table for summer with an Amalfi Coast lemon theme. And I've already showed you how I DIY'd this really cute little Dollar Tree DIY lemon urn. So I used supplies from the Dollar Tree to make this really cute urn to put lemons in. For the lemons, I got those actually at Dollar General. I got a dozen of them in a package. I think they're more inexpensive there than they are at the Dollar Tree and a little bit smaller. And I put them all in this urn to be a centerpiece for my kitchen table with the Amalfi Coast theme. I also showed you how I DIY'd this table runner using supplies from the Dollar Tree that really looks like that Mediterranean tile, which is so pretty. Now I'm going to show you how I styled that table. Okay, for greenery, I'm going to use more of this garland from the Dollar Tree. I have two packages here, and what I did was just removed the wire from both of them. I don't really need it. It's going to kind of get in the way, and I just want the greenery to be loose like that, tied together, and I can string that down the table runner, and it's going to go well with the greenery in our lemon urn. So I cut the little round circles here off the end just because those aren't very attractive. And I did one on each side of the centerpiece. And it was the perfect length, kind of just letting it take its natural shape down the entire table, just like this. And I love the greenery. I think it's really fun. The next item that I want to use for this is candles. I always love candles on my table. So I picked up some of these glass votive candles from the Dollar Tree. I thought I could do two on each side along that table runner, and it would be really pretty, especially when we light these. My son always gets a kick out of candlelight dinners, and so he will enjoy these, I'm sure. I put two on each side here, just putting it in with the greenery. And this is what it's looking like so far. I love it. I love the colors. So bright and cheerful for summer. The next item I'm going to use is a little lemon pick that I got at Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to cut the individual lemons off. You could also use the ones from Dollar General too if you can't find any at Dollar Tree. And I just want the lemons themselves, so I am going to kind of pull out the stems up from them and just use 3 lemons. I think that will be fine. I'll do one like it kind of fell out of the urn and the other two on each side, just a little bit in the greenery. And you could really use as many of those as you want. As you can see, they're a little bit smaller size than the ones that we used that are in the bowl. And the ones from the Dollar Tree, the big ones, are even larger. And this is what it's looking like so far. I think it's so pretty.